All right, so we're going to go over what you worked on yesterday. So we talked about standard form, base 10 model, word form, and expanded form. And you needed to finish what we were working on yesterday. So the number I gave you in standard form was 1,407. Then we talked about what base 10 model is, and the base 10 cubes that you guys use, like a hands-on activity that you've used in the prior years, looked like this: little cubes for your ones. You had like the stacked up 10 of like the little cubes. Some people call them skinnies for your tens, and then the block for your hundreds, and then the 3D cube for your thousands. So for us, we're just going to use a dot for the ones, just a line for the tens, a square for the hundreds, and then this shorthand 3D cube for thousands. Okay, so we're going to make this number using those symbols. Okay, so I'm going to write that number next to it. So 1,407 equals, so let's see, in my thousands, I have 1. So 1,400, so I have 4 of these. 2, 3. It's kind of like writing this number in code. Do I have anything in my tens? No. So do I need to draw anything for my tens? No. But then I just need to go to my ones, and we're going to use dots for our ones. So I have a 7 in my ones, so I need 7 dots. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, so this number, or 1,407 is this in base 10. Okay. All right, so word form. Word form is writing exactly what you say when you write a number. So you start from left to right when you're reading a number. So 1, and then for the comma, you say thousands. So 1,407. Don't say 407. And I know even me as an adult, I have a really bad habit of saying 407. But and means a decimal's there. The and would mean like you have 400 decimal 7. That's 407. So try to always remember to just say 407. Okay. So 1,000. 400. 7. Okay. And yes, spelling does count. So on the next slide, and after you watch this video, on the next slide, I'm going to put in a slide that just has number words on it. So if you want to copy if you want to copy that down in your notebook, that's fine. Maybe in next week's printed materials, I'll put that in there. So in case you want to add it to your notebook, that's fine too. So make sure you're spelling those words correctly. All right, go ahead and turn it to the next page. And you glue down expanded form. So our number, I'm going to rewrite it here just so I remember what it is 1,407. Okay, so now you're going to write that in expanded form. So you're still going to start left to right, and you're going to start with the largest amount. So that 1, what is that 1 worth? If it was all by itself, how much would that, what would the value of that be? 1,000, good. Now I'm going to add these onto there. So I'm going to put a plus sign. Now my next digit is my 4 in my hundreds place. So what is that 4 worth? What is its value? 400, good. Okay. Now, do I need to add a 0 here? No, there's nothing there to add. So you can just totally skip that. So now my 7, what place is my 7 in? My ones, right. So that's what's worth 7 by itself. So 1,407 written in expanded form is right here. Okay, so now you're going to watch a video that has expanded form for decimals. So make sure you pay close attention, and I'd write yourself some notes down on here what he talks about, like maybe one of the examples that he talks about in the video, write it down because his videos are really good. His name's Mr. J, and it just explains stuff very, very well. So that's why I posted him instead of me explaining it, because I think he does a little bit better job. It seems like he's a little bit more used to explaining things on video versus being in class. So watch that video and take some notes on here to help you with today's assignment. All right, good luck.